Please subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Like, comment and share.
How to extract text from images. In Windows, we can extract text from images by using the Text Extractor utility. Text Extractor is a very useful tool in the Windows ecosystem that lets us extract any text from images. It is one of the utilities available in the Windows PowerToys pack. To start, we first need to download the Microsoft PowerToys from the link mentioned below. After you have installed PowerToys, you can open any image with text in it. Then press the Windows key plus Shift key plus letter T. Select the area of text you want to extract. Open Notepad or Microsoft Word and paste the extracted text. Let's demonstrate how to utilize the text extractor by using an example. First, we open an image with some text. Then press Windows plus Shift plus T. Select the area of text you want to extract. Open Notepad. Then paste the extracted text. Thank you for watching.